Hey guys and girls, just another quick video. It's called Scroll into View. You've got this scroll bar. It's only when it's up here can you type in something, otherwise it disappears. So you have to use X module steering parameters, these are the green ones, and then move it up to the top and then click on submit. So to solve this one, you just scan it, okay? And when I scanned it, you get the submit button and then you get this text field. So it's the text field where you need to give it this scrolling behavior, and you say top, and it will do that for you. Now it's easy to add in these X module steering parameters. You right click up here and you click on the green one, create steering parameter. Jeez. And just give it a name. It's in the documentation here. Scrolling behavior, properties for X modules. And then if we go over to the actual test, you just type in Tosca and click input. I tried to click on submit, putting an X in here, it didn't work, so I just moved it out as a separate step. Let me delete that, maybe hide, do nothing. That's nice and neat. Let's give it a go. Let's kill the whole thing. TCP for this test is 99999. Here's the old one, 99999. Welcome, Arjun Uni Mumbath. I'm probably destroying your name. Sorry. Please leave a comment to tell me how to announce it properly. I would appreciate that. So let's give it a go. Run it. Alright, that was quick. You didn't get to see an awful lot. Tosca seems to be acting a little bit funny. But that's it. Alright, I'm going to kill it here. Cheers, bye.